Hi, I came from Ukraine.
New Jersey in the US.
Japan, Tokyo.
California.
Long Island, New York.
From Chile.
But I actually study in France.
The EDEC Business School.
In the Netherlands, in Maastricht. And I'm here for my exchange.
I chose Bocconi because
I wanted to make an exchange in Europe.
I've always wanted to study abroad in Italy.
I like the surroundings of Milan, a lot of opportunities to go.
I'm someone who wants to work internationally one day.
And I knew that I'd meet great people here.
Actually, it's my first time in Milano.
I just like to discover the city.
I've always wanted to see the Duomo.
Today we just got to see it and it's beautiful.
I really liked Galleria d'Italia.
Like the castle that we are here currently.
What I think about Italy, yeah, the first it's pizza mozzarella.
Italians are always very welcoming.
Pasta, risotto. When I'm hungry, I'm gonna do like this.
Focaccia.
Risotto.
And espresso, of course.
A lot of hand gestures.
It's not a good thing, but like that.
Are you scared? Are you scared, right?
Yeah, don't do that.
This gesture, that comes to my mind, yeah.
This one means let's leave, right? Okay, I think I got it.
Italian already move.
I'm sure this experience will help me because, first of all,
It really exposed me to a new environment that I'd never been used to before.
new country for me, new culture, new language, everything.
And having those connections in my future endeavors.
Ciao, Milano.
Milano.